We are at Keep Right, Takrase, in the eastern region near Kede. We've come to Openi Kwame Mensah's place, and what he does here is alcohol. If you don't know how alcohol is being manufactured, we have come here. You know everything from him. The process that he goes through before the alcohol comes out, you are going to know it on Bush Class TV. Before we go to Openi Kwame Mensah to know more about how alcohol production is done, let us look at a little demonstration here. But please take note, this video you are watching is for educational purpose, not for promotion. So alcohol production is done by purifying a liquid compound by heating it into a vapor that is then condensed back into a liquid. We have 3 different barrels there. We have 2 different barrels there. One has fire under it. That is this. They've set fire under the first one. So that first one contains the palm wine. So it is being cooked. It will be cooking and heated, and then the vapor will pass through the tube or the tunnel. So when the vapor passes through it, it will then come to the second barrel. The second barrel too contains just water. So that water will cool the tunnel or the pipe. The second barrel you see here will cool or will make the pipe cool, and then directly to the third barrel. That one also contains water. These 2 barrels contains water, which will make the pipe cool, and then the end product will enter the red gallon you see there. So that end product is the alcohol, which we call the Akpeteshie in Ghana or in Ghanaian language. Let's get to Openi Kwame Mensah to know the details in the production of alcohol.
Your friend Kwame Mensah. Me wo achim Takrase. Keep Right. If you Ike Mensah.
But your admitted ben how you are.
Ejuma ye odosu. Ye twa abe kwa.
Mpacho nti mbeye wa ha yehu. One wadua na wode eye nsanana.
Mpacho da bi obi na edua na metoy.
Na toy. Ba se wan kasa so wo de a wadua.
Mpacho na me omede.
Mpacho na wo de na wadua na so wadua se wo de be nsana se no be de be ade foforo.
Me de na me nusua na se de enwo na se edu pepe su bia na ma so de ayensa.
Okay, nti ba se ahyase ne wo de be yengo, but edu mra wontumi e be tentena wontumi nu fa nyango na abeyensa. Mpacho sanity. Okay. Na mpacho wo fi eye sa adwuma we no be se mfi ahene e de be sa.
Yo, Mr. Chejuma, I check akra. Na mi papa na eye. Te ma mi papa ye akra na ese misumi so mo. Ita mi ko school na me ye akra mi di school. Na ansa na mbe ware mi won kwada nyina no na me ye di hwe mi kwada wo school.
Ti pacho se wo han wani abese how many years?
Mr. T ye juma de be mfi be duanani.
Be 40 years. And pacho, apart from ensa adwuma a wo ye wa ha, wo adwuma foforo bi a wo ye ana? Pacho eno ye adwuma ben ana se ye kuaye ye bia.
Pacho ye kuaye.
Pacho nema ben na wo.
Pa fun abetwaye bi wo abefo amede yanwo. Bi se okoko akra your body fu. Ye brufu. Nye kromu kwa na wo kotena wo ye adwuma eye yie. Wo bo bra no wo nwure mu na wo de adan, wo de akokrum. Te adwuma mi so mu no ate abo ame pa. Yo hwe su ya abebo awo.
Timpacho, finally no. Yan fa se be 1 minute na say 2 minutes. O adwuma insan adwuma no wo sha asesen wo ye ne sen. E bia ekwan a wo fa so a wo ye ansa na ansa na ba ne hu se we ye nsan no. Obetumi be 1 minute bi obetumi abɔ ne tofa de amaye.
Yo, ate Kwa fa so nsa na ba se abe no uto na otutu fom a na abe na wotwitwa ho no apo opo a be na nsa o de kuku asiase de nsa na eba nsa no nsa efunu eba no tegwu dro mu tu do na otwi mi pepepe na o de si jaso ti jaso na Akpeteshie na de aba no so anya wosika
ntimeti ase a to abe na wanya say what 2 weeks time na pass why a pour no chia se kakra say wo pour abe no chia se kakra
yo wo to abe to form a na wotwe utwitwa ho a na wapo nti wo po a na nansa wo de kuku asiase wo siase na be nansa wa start tinsa no nti wo tinsa na wotwe mienu na so wa start anua
tinua ni mu na adane nsefu na adane abe
Akpeteshie
okay opinion ye bedas na ye fia ya sen akọ wonfuo na aka no so emu
mate